My name is Phillipe. I'm a French Canadian from Quebec City, Canada. Favorite part is the Balinese people are, first of all, like amazing, like always smiling. They're the greatest. And I also enjoy that the Gateway Co has everything planned. So I don't have to worry about, where to go, how to get the transportation to one place to the other part of the island. Also really like that there's free time. I'm not a full-time vegan. That was kind of like a newer experience for me to try all that vegan food. It was amazing. All the food was exceptional, like the staff here, the kitchen. So I really, really enjoy eating more vegan food. I want to say that if you're on the fence of booking a trip with the Getaway Co, like a vegan trip, and you're on the fence and you're not a full vegan, I would highly recommend it because you can discover new vegan food, new vegan option, and I actually enjoyed it so much.